Hi, I'm James from roofracks.co.uk and today I'm going to show you how to insert a lock barrel into the cover of any Thule footpack. As almost all Thule products use the same lock barrel, this tutorial can also be applied to almost any Thule accessory such as bike carriers, kayak carriers and other lockable accessories. When initially assembling a Thule footpack, the locks will normally need to be inserted into the footpack covers. Firstly, look inside the lock housing and you will see a chamfered edge around the rim, which is located between two small triangular nodules. With the key inside the lock barrel, you'll notice that there is one domed pin protruding from the edge of the bottom of the barrel. Line up the domed pin with the chamfered edge and gently press the lock into the lock housing. Turn the lock 45 degrees while applying slight pressure, and once the pin is rotated to the correct angle, the lock will press into place. With the lock barrel now seated in position, it will now be possible to operate the lock with the key. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found it helpful, please click on the like button below. And also click our Simply Thule logo to subscribe and see more instructional videos from roofracks.co.uk.